Recording.
Hi, I'm Dave Upton. I'm back out the field again with the FMS T45 Goshawk. This is a 70mm EDF flying jet. It has retracts, flaps, full house, and it's powered by the IX-14 radio system. We're going to switch it up, use a little bit better battery pack today. This has a 150C rating. We'll see what better vertical and flat out speed we can get. Let's give it a shot.
Ooh.
All right, here we go. Coming up. Back around, high speed pass. See what kind of vertical it has. And I'm going to bring it back over the top.
Okay.
So we got it a little bit lower, you can see it. Nice flying jet. Got lots more power with that higher C-rated battery pack. Looks good. All right, Gabe, I'm going to come in from the south this time because we've got quite a bit of wind coming from a northern direction.
Right
Flaps,
to left?
Yep, flaps coming down, gear coming down. Our base turn for final. Start throttling back a little bit. Hold a little bit in there until I get across the apron here. There we go. All right, we'll take that. Nice flying bird.
Oh yeah, it looked really smooth.
I think that made a big difference with that higher C-rated pack. What do you think, Gabe?
Oh yeah, it's
Night and day.
yeah, it's much more fun now.
Right on.